The water distiller is a high-quality stainless steel product. Here are a few common issues and simple tips to improve your experience. Tip 1. Top condenser pot. You don't need to keep the water in the top pot cold. Some users add ice to the top pot or pour out existing hot water to replace it with cold water. This can slow down the process. Just keep the water level topped off every few hours and never cover it with a lid. Tip 2. Bottom pot. If the water in the bottom pot gets too low, it can boil dry without notice. A simple trick is to add a few marbles to the pot. When the water level is sufficient, you'll hear them rattling. If the sound stops, it's time to refill. Tip 3. Rust spots. Rust-colored spots come from minerals in the water, not the pot itself. They can be easily cleaned with Barkeeper's Friend or other stainless steel cleaners. These deposits actually show the distiller is removing contaminants from your water. Tip 4. Aggressive boiling. When water boils too rapidly in a distiller, it can spit or surge upward. This typically happens when the heat is set too high. Adjust your stove or heat source to find the level that maintains a steady boil without spitting. This also helps prevent any contaminated water from reaching the collector pan.